Hello. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to use marCloud Backup Bot. For whenever you go to the marCloud Backup Bot website, marcloud.net/backup bot, there's a button here called Invite Bot. You can also find the button right here. Click on this button. You'll then ask which server you would like to invite it to. I'm going to choose this server. Hit continue. You're going to authorize it administrator. If you do not authorize it administrator, it will not be able to work. Make sure you fill out the CAPTCHA. Now that your bot is here, we're going to work on creating a backup. Go to the settings. Go to rules. And make sure that backup bot is above all of the rules. Save changes. Make sure your DMs are open for the bot to be able to send you a message. Go to user settings. Go to privacy and safety. Make sure allow direct messages is on. Hit escape. And go down here and type in MB create. After your backup is created, go into your DMs. Make sure you save this code for whenever you need to use it again. You might not have this in your DMs. My suggestion is email it to yourself. At this point, your backup has been saved. If you would like to restore our backup, take MB load in this long number and hit Control C. Go over to your server, Control V. I'll then ask you to confirm. Type in -, confirm. When it is completed, it will have uploaded messages, channels, and server settings to its original place. If you have any issues, join the Discord down below. Open a ticket and explain your issue. We will be updating the Discord bot soon. If you have any suggestions of things that we might add, please leave a comment down below. Or join the Discord server, go to the suggestions page, and type in your suggestion. Have a great day.